Hi, I'm Meera from Terra and welcome to Cooking with Terra again. Today we are on day 9 of our 21-day juice class and இன்னைக்கு வந்து நம்ம special ingredient actually is Karpuravalli, Omavalli. These are the leaves of the ajwain plant. So ajwain leaves. இது நிறையா சித்தா மெடிசன் ஆயுர்வேதிக் மெடிசன் in general home remedies itself many people will be using karpuravalli நம்மளுக்கு cold cough னா எப்பவுமே karpuravalli நல்லதும்பாங்க. It helps in lot of things to do with your throat and your lungs actually. Peopleக்கு sore throat na people use this, cough irundhuna அது யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. It reduces some congestion in the lungs and it also helps in digestion. Omam water la people use it for digestion. These are the leaves. These also have the similar property to help in digestion. But இப்போ வந்து பிரைமரியா நம்ம throat and cough அந்த மாதிரி விஷயத்துக்காக we will celebrate the karpuravalli leaf today. But by itself normally it's made into a hot tea by just boiling the leaves in water. Sometimes you can add it in rasam also, but today we are going to make it into a nice tasty juice. And to add some taste to the juice we are going to be using Mosambi Sathukudi. So this is going to be a sweet lime juice and the sweetness of the sweet lime will carry the karpuravalli well. Sweet lime packed with vitamin C, very immune boosting and very necessary for fighting off any kind of illness. So along with karpuravalli and sathukudi, one more ingredient I'm adding for today to give the juice a good nutritional boost as well as some interesting texture. We are going to be using sabja seeds. Sabja seeds in the திருநீற்று பச்சைன்னு சொல்லக்கூடிய அந்த type of basil. It's a sweet basil, not the holy basil, sweet basil உடைய seeds. This is a very good source, plant source of omega-3. Omega-3 otherwise normally fish illa nariya non-vegetarian items la kadikkum. Vegetarian sources are limited and sabja seeds are one of them. They are surprisingly also a very big source of calcium and magnesium. So very good for bone health, filled with fiber and generally they say it helps to cool the body. Falooda lala you will see that the sabja seeds give the interesting texture and look to the drink. So இன்னைக்கு we'll be adding the sabja seeds also to today's juice. So today's juice is actually a sathukudi karpuravalli juice with sabja seeds. இன்னைக்கு ingredient prepங்கிறது not at all complicated for the sathukudi karpuravalli juice. We can take about 6 sathukudis or how many people you are going to serve based on you can change that. Just juice them well, don't filter them, let the pulp be there, it gives a good texture and also you're not filtering away some good nutrition. So juice of 6 sathukudis எடுத்துக்கலாம் and then add a few karpuravalli leaves only. It's a very strong slightly what shall I say, a savory and minty taste. Anala ஒரு 4 or 5 leaves is good enough for say 2 glasses of juice. If you feel like you can take it stronger, go ahead, it's only good for you. Sabja seeds they are best taken when they are soaked. Anala take about half a tablespoon of sabja seeds and soak it in 1 cup of liquid. Normally the water la soak பண்ணுவாங்க. நம்ம இன்னைக்கு சாத்துக்குடி ஜூஸ்லயே soak பண்ணிடலாம். So when you soak it in the sathukudi juice, you're intensifying the flavor of the final juice also. So let's soak it only for about 10 to 15 minutes. It will swell up in size and become a beautiful jelly-like feel with small source seeds mattum black dots ah irukum. Looks also interesting and adds a lot of nutrition. So இன்னைக்கு these are the ingredients that we need to prep. So here this is the basic sathukudi juice and I have taken 1 cup of the juice and soaked half a tablespoon of sabja seeds. And this has been soaking for about 10-15 minutes now and once it swells up like this it's ready to be used. Idha we are not going to grind obviously, so we will add the sathukudi and the karpuravalli leaves. I've taken about 4 or 5 small leaves and grind them together well in the blender. So when it is fully done it gives a beautiful green juice. Let's not strain this, we can just leave it as it is, and once the juice is done you can pour it into a glass and add the soaked sabja seeds how much ever you like and this is how it will look when you're done with it. Once it settles, this is how beautiful the juice looks. So here it is, your sathukudi karpuravalli juice. So here we are, this is your sathukudi karpuravalli juice with sabja seeds. The karpuravalli adds a nice fresh green color to the sathukudi juice and the sabja seeds add a wonderful look and interesting texture to the juice. Definitely try it and see. This is now juice 9 of our 21-day juice class. 9 done, 12 more to go.